Square root of 27 plus 1 upon square root of 27. How do we solve this? So square root of 27, this we can write it as 3 times 3 times 3, then plus 1 upon, again square root of 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, or this is 3 square times 3 under square root plus 1 upon 3 square times 3 under square root. Now when a times b is under square root, we can write it as square root of a times square root of b. So this will be square root of 3 square times square root of 3, then plus 1, then upon square root of 3 square times square root of 3. Now square root means when a is under square root, it means a is raised to the power 1 upon 2. So when the square root is squared, it means the exponent is multiplied by 2. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So we can remove the square root with the square. So it will be 3 times square root of 3 plus 1 upon, again remove the square root with the square, 3 times square root of 3. Now to further simplify it, we need to divide this number by the denominator, but in the denominator we have a radical, and radical means the value of square root of 3 is a non-ending number. So we cannot divide when the denominator has a non-ending number. We need to get a real number in the denominator so that it can be simplified. Now, what if we multiply it by 1? The number won't change. So instead of multiplying it by 1, we can also multiply it by square root of 3 upon square root of 3, because we can cancel this and the number remains same. So when we multiply and divide it by the same number, the fraction remains same, and square root of 3 gets rationalized. Square root of 3 times 3 square root of 3 plus 1, then upon 3 times square root of 3 square. It is 3 times square root of 3 square plus square root of 3 upon 3 times, remove the square root with the square, so it is 3. Here also we can remove the square root with the square, so it is 3 times 3 is 9 plus square root of 3 upon 3 times 3 is 9. So this is the simplified version. We can also write it as 9 upon 9, because 9 is the common denominator, plus square root of 3 upon 9. 9 upon 9 is 1, so we can write it as 1 plus square root of 3 upon 9. So this is the answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.